Erectile dysfunction or impotence is a major challenge for many men today regardless of their age. There are many herbal remedies that tout improvement in erectile dysfunction, but most have little effect. Before concluding to the remedy for this, let's know some major cause of weak erection you may be unaware of. 1. Pile. 2. Meeting a woman under menstruation. 3. Masturbation. Erectile dysfunction can lead to many complications if ignored. Here is the most effective home remedy for erectile dysfunction or impotence. Ingredients needed: 6 big bulbs of onion. Pure honey. Sieve or filter. Procedures to prepare: take your 6 bulbs of onions and peel the shaft. After that, wash and cook half done in a cooking pot. Next, you grind and squeeze and collect the juice. When done, filter and mix equal amount of pure honey, then stir and warm slightly on fire. Dosage: 2 spoonfuls in the morning and evening for a week. This remedy is 100% effective. Follow the instructions carefully on this video and you will testify in a week time.
Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you won't forget to hit that subscribe button and tickle the bell to get more updates. Bye guys, and stay safe.